Marami sa mga nurses natin nasa ibang bansa na. Because even when you graduate, binabayaran mo pa rin yung inutang mo for RLE. And yung RLE, hindi mo yan mababayaran at the regular salary of a nurse in the Philippines. I spent a lot of time with students in the last campaign. Yung napangako ko na itataas yung subsidies, itataas yung libreng kolehiyo, and magkakaroon ng tulong for RLE. I'm happy na nandyan na siya sa budget ngayon. A lot of the nursing students would say, Sen, okay yung libreng kolehiyo, pero there's this huge expense na binabayaran namin. Umuutang pa talaga yung mga magulang namin or kami para lang mabayaran yan. That's the RLE, yung Related Learning Experience. Nursing student ka or allied health student ka, magbabayad ka sa hospital for your internship. Ang mahal niya, so anywhere from 20,000 to maybe 50, 60, may mga 70,000 pa yan a year. To help our students, this is an actual line item that's budgeted, but we have to wait for CHED to come out with the guidelines. Hopefully for next school year, ready na siya, handa na siya, pwede na siyang ma-access ng mga estudyante natin.